Okay. Hi, I'm Tasneem Mukadam, and we bought these plots about 5 years ago, and then we built the bungalows, which have been ready from about 2.5 years. And it's a beautiful place, very, very serene, very peaceful. It's the perfect getaway from Mumbai, and especially in this lockdown, we've used it a lot since last August till date. A lot of our friends, family members, everyone has come and enjoyed. And this is the first time we've stayed for 8 days, and hence we could get a chance to explore the entire property. We also rented bicycles, which was lots of fun. We also ordered food from the restaurant, which was super delicious. And the entire property is spread across a lot of land, and we saw that the flowers are beautiful. There are a lot of trees planted, and I hope it continues that way, because that's what we don't really get in Bombay. And the staff here is very, very helpful. Every time we call them, they are always there to come and immediately help us, whether it's water, whether it's grass, electricity, any issue. So yes, if anyone's looking to buy a property here, I'd highly recommend it. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Alia, and my experience here has been really great and fun for like the 2.5 years we've been coming here. Every time we experience something new and fun, and it's very peaceful and different from the city life in Mumbai. And this time, since we came for a longer time, I actually learned how to cycle here. And my sister Sana and I, we enjoy playing at the park, and it's just a new experience for us. And we also learn new things. We can find so many different plants here, so many flowers, and the view is just amazing.
Hi, we're Khozema and Insia Tambawala from Mumbai. We bought this plot here, actually few plots here, and we've seen how our house has been made and developed over the times. Now we've been able to stay here over the last 2.5 years. It's been an amazing experience coming from a city like Mumbai, where it's all crowded, packed with buildings. Here you get to see a lot of nature. We can see the mountains, especially during the monsoons. It's an amazing weather. I would recommend people to come here, consider buying a plot and building your own house. And it would be an absolute great weekend break for you from the things that you have to do back in the city. So it's an amazing place. Full year, the weather is great. I would seriously recommend everyone to come here and experience this. The kind of staff that they have here, they're also very helpful. Helped us build up this whole place and continue to maintain this place for us. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Insia. So we've been coming here since the past 2.5 years. Once the bungalows have been made, and it's a great experience. At least for me, I absolutely love this place. It's a great break for me from my daily chores from Mumbai, you know, the city life with kids and the online schooling currently that's going on. So it gives me a lot of space and time to be myself. And especially what I have really enjoyed the most is, looking at these beautiful plants, trees, the flowers growing all around you in the garden. It's something which I have never done in Mumbai or felt. So I feel that it's a learning also. It's a great experience to see, this kind of plantations, of course in the bungalow, within the bungalow itself, and also outside. And the same goes for my children, it's a lot of open space for them to explore new activities, which during, when they're in Mumbai, it's just the school life and, the classes and the daily routine. But here they actually get a break and, a lot of space to move about, different activities. And this time it was a great opportunity that we all could go cycling together. That's one thing which, I really enjoyed this time. And especially also driving down to the lake and the dam, which is really beautiful and peaceful, especially during the monsoons. We enjoyed the waterfalls, and this side also we have the lake and the vast fields. So it's great for them to also see that and learn something and about the village life and take back great memories. Especially during the lockdown, it's given us more time to come and spend here, with family and friends. because there being a lockdown, we find it much safer here in Igatpuri and the people around us. So that's a good benefit, I would say, and a plus point.
Would like to add that during the COVID times, this has been a great place for us to become like a getaway. We've been moving around here very openly, lots of open space around. Lots of safe and secure areas for us. The security has also been very good here to be able to make sure that people are safe and they can move around here freely. So that's been another great benefit for us during these periods of the lockdown that we've had. Thank you.
I am Yusuf Mukadam, my wife Farida Mukadam. We belong to Bandra, Mumbai. Last about 20 years, it was my dream to make bungalows for me and my family. So it took 20 years to find out the place, and ultimately we settled for this Sri Venkatesh Nagar, which is just awesome. I have no words to describe its beauty and serenity and that calmness, and get away from that buzzing life of Mumbai. A lot of pollution and lot of honking, paw. And here if you come, you don't even listen to honking also. We don't know what is honking here. So, and especially it is a wonderful time with family get together. We are all in Bandra, no doubt, but staying separately. So each has got her own life. But when we come here, we have a blast, So like that, I invite my cousins, my family members, my friends, and we all have fantastic time together, So it is, I thank God for this opportunity in my life, and thank you Gothi ji personally for all the amenities which he is providing here, and the staff is also very cooperative, whether it is water problem or it is gardening problem or it is electricity problem. Everybody is at our beck and call. Okay, thank you very much. God bless you. Bye.
Yes. Hello, I'm Farida Mukadam. It's a dream come true. We were looking out for a second home for a long time, and this has been a very good place. We chose this, and we are very happy. This place is beautiful. We are enjoying it. We are coming here from a long time, staying, and this time we stayed for a long time. So we have seen many places here, and especially the Rosewood Park is very good for our children. We go there, we walk around, see the greenery around, which we don't get in our Bombay. So we are very happy here. So I will recommend anyone who can buy a plot here and stay with peace over here. Okay, thanks.
Ready? Three cheers for Venkatesh Nagar. Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray!